What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up stop loss on Trojan bot. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And if you guys are new, I'll provide a link of this bot in the description as well. You guys can go and access it from there. Hit the start button and here we'll go to settings, click on settings right here, and here select auto sell, click on it. And once we are here, we'll click on new, and here you will see the swap limit and DCA. Make sure limit is turned on, and here click on add orders. And now here we'll enter the target price in negative in order to specify the drop where we want to sell our assets. And also we can head over to the amount and type in the percentage, the amount of tokens we want to sell. I'll hit 100% right here, and as you guys can see, now this is done. You can also type in the slippage amount according to your preference. Well, now it's done, your order is activated. Well, that's how you can set up a stop loss on Trojan board. If you like the video, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye bye.